video, I'm going to teach you how to create conditional questions in Google Forms. Conditional questions, sometimes called branching or skip logic, let you send people to different parts of your form based on how they answer. This keeps your form focused, short, and relevant for each respondent. Start by opening Google Forms and creating a new form with the blank option. At the top, click the form title and give your form a clear, descriptive name. A good title makes it easier to manage your form later, especially if you'll share it or return to edit it. Next, use the plus button on the right toolbar to add your first question. Click into the question text field and type your question, for example, do you have a driver's license? Keep the wording simple and unambiguous so respondents don't hesitate or guess. Open the question type dropdown and switch it to multiple choice. Conditional logic in forms works best with multiple choice, because each answer leads to a single predictable path. Now add your answer options, such as yes and no. Short, direct options make it clear which path each person should take. Look to the bottom right of the question and click the three dots for more options. Choose Go to Section based on answer. This turns on branching and adds a small dropdown next to each answer choice, where you'll decide where respondents go next. Before routing answers, create a destination. On the right toolbar, click Add Section to create a new section. Sections act like chapters in your form and are the places you'll send respondents based on their answers. Name the section clearly so you can recognize it while routing. Return to your question and use the dropdown beside each answer to choose where that answer should lead. For instance, you might send yes to the new section with follow-up questions, while no can continue to the next part of your form. Think through the path you want for each choice, so respondents only see what's relevant to them. When you're done setting routes, click Preview at the top right to test your conditional logic. In the preview, answer the question each way and confirm you land in the correct section every time. If something doesn't go where you expect, go back, adjust the drop-down choices, and preview again until the flow is perfect. That's it. With these steps, you've built a clean, dynamic Google form that adapts to each respondent. Save your changes and you're ready to share.